In Istanbul's historic Tsaragan Palace, the third round of direct Russia-Ukraine talks ended with no breakthrough but some progress. Russia confirmed the implementation of earlier humanitarian agreements, including prisoner exchanges and return of fallen soldiers. Moscow also proposed creating 3 online working groups to accelerate negotiations. Kyiv is considering the idea.
We have decided to establish 3 work groups who would work online. A work group on the political matters, a work group on humanitarian matters, and a military work group with experts from the military agencies and ministries. The Ukrainian side agreed to consider this proposal.
Ukraine's delegation proposed a high-stakes meeting between President Volodymyr Zelensky and President Vladimir Putin before the end of August. Russia's lead negotiator, Vladimir Medinsky, welcomed the idea in theory, but said such a summit must be thoroughly prepared first, signaling Moscow's reluctance for premature diplomacy.
Ukraine keeps insisting on a full and unconditional ceasefire as the necessary basis for effective diplomacy. We are ready for a ceasefire now and to start substantive peace negotiations. And it is up to other side to accept this basic step towards peace.
Both sides finalized an exchange of 250 prisoners each. Another exchange of 200 people is reportedly in the works. Russia claims it returned over 7,000 Ukrainian bodies while receiving only a few of its own, highlighting the human toll of the conflict. Kyiv has not disputed the number publicly. Russia accused Ukraine of detaining 30 civilians from the Kursk region and offered to swap Ukrainian soldiers for their return. Medinsky said the Russian side values every life, adding that Russian medics are often targeted in the frontline gray zone due to Ukraine's drone advantage. Moscow proposed reinstating short-term humanitarian pauses to aid civilians. Medinsky claimed 101 points of previous humanitarian agreements remain unrealized. He also said many displaced residents in Kursk haven't returned, blaming Ukraine for blocking full implementation. Despite diplomatic movement, both sides admitted their positions on a long-term settlement remain far apart. However, both delegations committed to keeping talks alive. If Kyiv agrees to the proposed online working groups, the next phase of focused negotiations could begin soon.